Hello, this is Sania Patel and you are welcome to HW News English. 2 children died and a woman was injured on May 29 when a vehicle in the convoy of BJP Lok Sabha candidate Karan Bhushan Singh ran over them nearby Kunt Degree College of Kanolganj, Huzurpur Road in Gonda district. The local police seized the vehicle and took the bodies for post-mortem. It is not known if Mr. Singh was in the car or convoy at the time. The injured woman has been taken to the hospital and police have been deployed in the area to maintain law and order. Karnalganj SHO Nirbhay Narayan Singh told that Rehan Khan, who is 17 years old, and Shehzad Khan, who is 20 years old, were riding a motorcycle hit by the vehicle near a school. Both died on the spot. The SUV had encrypted police escort on its rear windshield. The car hit them, lost control and also struck Sita Devi, who is 60-year-old, walking on the roadside, according to the SHO. In the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, the BJP did not give a ticket to the sitting MP Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh, who is facing serious allegations of sexual assault. Instead, they chose his son Karan Bhushan Singh as the candidate for the Kaisarganj constituency. Who is Karan Bhushan Singh? The BJP had decided not to give a ticket to the sitting MP Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh and instead has nominated his son Karan Bhushan Singh as the candidate for the Kaisarganj Lok Sabha constituency in Uttar Pradesh. Karan, Brij Bhushan's younger son, is a national player in double trap shooting. Karan holds a BBA and an LLB degree along with a diploma in business management from Australia. He is currently the president of the UP Wrestling Association and is making his debut in the Lok Sabha elections. His elder brother Pratik Bhushan is a BJP MLA from Gonda Sadar. Reacting to the incident, the Trinamool Congress posted on X, "It seems criminal behavior runs in Modi's family. Like father, like son." Brij Bhushan Singh, notorious for molesting and sexually harassing female wrestlers, has passed on his traits to the next generation. His son Karan Bhushan Singh, BJP's candidate for Kaisarganj MP, has taken it further by causing the tragic death of innocent children with his convoy, killing 2 and injuring 1. Well, that's all for this news report today. Thank you for watching HW News English. Download our app Shorts to get the latest news and updates.
A grueling 6-week-long general election in India is coming to an end. 543 constituencies across the length and breadth of India.
लोकसभा चुनाव 2024 आ चुका है अपने अंतिम पड़ाव पर। कौन होगा विजय? किसकी बनेगी सरकार?
Will the BJP do 400 par, a claim made by the Prime Minister, or will the opposition India Alliance stage a comeback?
अब की बार
Join us as we bring to you expert analysis and incisive and in-depth perspectives on who has the edge.
पाए सटीक विश्लेषण, बिना किसी शोर, बिना किसी सनसनी, हमारे इस विशेष लाइव।
So join us for the exit poll on the 1st and for the final results on the 4th. See you then.
Exit polls coverage on 1st June 6:30 PM onwards. Result day on 4th June 7 AM onwards.
सिर्फ HW News English और HW News Network पर।
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.